Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of push-ups, an exercise that's been around for centuries and continues to be a key component in many fitness routines. Push-ups are not just about building upper body strength, but also enhance your core strength and improve your posture. Mastering the various techniques can help you reach your fitness goals faster with optimal results. Let's look at 3 techniques to start with. 1. Proper form. Start with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes touching the ground. Keep your head up, eyes forward, and core engaged throughout the movement. Lower yourself slowly until your chest is an inch away from the ground. Then push up to complete 1 rep. 2. Progressive variations. As you get stronger, try different variations like diamond push-ups, hands forming a diamond. Elevated push-ups, starting from your knees or feet on a bench, or even one-arm push-ups for a serious challenge. Remember to start slow and build up gradually to avoid injury. 3. Breathing technique. Inhale as you lower yourself. Exhale as you push back up. This helps to regulate your breathing and stabilize you during each rep. Remember, consistency is key in any exercise routine. Start slow and build up gradually. Incorporating these techniques into your workout will help you build up a body strength in no time. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time.